We're at IMTS 2024. I hope you had a chance to make it and get a look at the Makino booth. If you did not, we would like to give you a little quick run through of what you missed. We had 3 North American premieres at the show this year. So as far as the new machines go, we've got, the first one is a horizontal, the A500IR. This is a 5-axis horizontal, 500 millimeter pallet capability. This is going after the target audiences in the aero structure, the aero engine, as well as industrial components and challenging 5-axis parts to make. One of the unique things about this machine is a table-on-table kinematic configuration, but it is a very innovative pallet changer that actually takes the pallet from a vertical orientation and lays it down flat in a horizontal orientation so that we can let gravity work for us and have a very ergonomic loading situation. Another North American premiere is the DA500. This is a 5-axis vertical machining center with a trunnion type orientation. Pallet size on this machine is a 400 millimeter square pallet, but it's also available with a very exciting option for us, and that is turning. We can do turning at 800 RPM with this machine. When you start to turn with very large diameter workpieces like this, and again, up to 800 millimeter diameter workpiece, you really need to think about the balance. With this machine, we have a balancing routine built into the system, and it will give you guidance as far as how many grams need to be added at a given distance in order to balance that load and have ideal process parameters for doing that turning. It's the 3rd North American premiere. We have our Slim 5N. This is a small vertical machining center, similar to some of the drill tap machines, only this machine is ideally suited for milling as well. On this machine, we have a 4+1 table, trunnion type table. We've got 4 hydraulic ports, 1 pneumatic port. This machine is ideally suited for higher volume, high pressure die cast type of applications where you may want to set up an automated line where there's either automation coming in from the side, or with a very narrow footprint of this machine, you can set multiple machines up in a row. So you can have sequential processing with an overhead gantry that will deliver the workpieces through a shutter door on the top of the machine for ideal automotive high volume production applications. So that's kind of a quick rundown of everything that's in the booth at IMTS 2024. Thank you.